Hi and welcome. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favourite tools, which is Google Forms, and one of my favourite extensions, which is Mote. And I'm going to show you how you can put the two together because Mote in Google Forms is so powerful. So I'm going to show you a couple of different things you can do and how you can use Mote in Forms. So maybe the first thing you want to do is you maybe want a piece of text being read out to a student. So you could possibly have the text written up here at the top, but you also want it to be read to the student. So what you can do is you can use the extension up here of Mote. You can click on it and you can record a Mote. So I can record a Mote and I can record myself talking about the text or maybe reading a piece of text, whatever is necessary. Press done and then it will give me a URL link. Okay, so here it is. So I can just press copy and I can copy this into my piece of writing here. And so when the students click on it, they will get my Mote. Okay, another great feature could be that you want different feedback and you want different verbal feedback instantly to the students about how they've done in a question. So we could have a question here, question 1, and we could have two answers, A and B. Okay, and then we want to make it a quiz and we want to give personalised verbal feedback in this. So I'm just going to make this a quiz, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this answer key. I'm going to select that question 1A is correct and question B is incorrect. Oh, sorry, answer A is correct and answer B is incorrect. So I'm going to add in some feedback. So here we go, we can add. So for the incorrect answer, again, I can just go up to Mote and I can record a specific piece of feedback explaining why they got that wrong and what they need to do better next time, or how they can improve their response, or where they went wrong. So I can edit that. And again, I can just copy that link and paste it in. And I can, for the same thing, I can put in an answer for my correct answer. Again, just clicking on the Mote extension. Oops. And it's saying, well done, this is what you need to do next, maybe, to move them on further. And again, just copying that link and pasting it in. So I can use the link here, or I can just link it in here. So what does this look like to the students? So you can see there's the link that will read out to them. When they submit their answer, they will get the feedback by clicking on View Score. And there's the feedback that the students will get. So Google Forms with Mote potentially is really powerful and engaging. So have fun. Let me know how you've got on. Thanks.